Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we're working on the C-Class right here guys, the W204 from 2008 to 2015 model. And if you're wondering guys how to replace door speaker, the one by the mirror right here, stay with us, we'll demonstrate how to do that now. We have more than 200 videos guys, check out the description for more information, please subscribe. Okay, so with the window down it's really helpful. Okay, we're going to come here. Okay, remove the seal a little bit out of the way with a plastic removal tool now. Okay, we're going to pry the cap open. Then you need to come this way, and in an angle towards the front there is 3 clips. Okay, let me show you where the clips are located. 1, 2, 3, and they go in these holes right here. Okay guys, and this is the tweeter. Here we can disconnect it now. Okay, with a small screwdriver. Okay, you need to just pry it out. Be very careful. Okay, the wire stays here. Okay guys, this is the tweeter right here. You have only 3 teeth. Okay, that you need to pry out, and the tweeter will come out. Okay, sometimes you just buy them with a new cover. Okay, so that's how you guys remove and replace the tweeter. All you need to do is just put it back together in reverse order. Thank you for watching. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.